So Andy wasn't screaming because his throat hurts. But today we are gonna be tasting Boo Berry from Monster Cereals. Back for Halloween. Except for we got this for Halloween clearance, but we only got one of them. We don't have Count Chocula or Frankenberry, but there's other General Mills characters dressed up. But we're gonna be tasting this. Okay, let's go.
Open it up.
Wait, you're sick. Maybe I should do it. Okay. So here is what a bowl of Boo Berry looks like. Do you know how to pour?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, you didn't touch it, so where are you going?
I was gonna pour some more into a different bowl, so like.
Her. Okay, let's hit it with some milk. Hey, we need more than that.
Okay. Hey.
Ready? Set. Taste. That's good.
Uh-huh.
The ghosts look like Pac-Man ghosts.
Mm-hmm.
You should try this. You probably have. But then there's also 2 other flavors you could try. So like always, please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.